Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Learn and Prepare. So today we are starting our MCQ series. So the very first video for our MCQ series is about the largest in the world. So let's start the video. The largest planet of our solar system is Jupiter, as you can see in the picture. The largest continent we have is Asia, as you can see in the map. The largest country by area we have is Russia. It's located in Asia. The largest country by population is India. The largest city by population we have is Tokyo. The largest island we have is Greenland Island, as you can see in the map. The largest park we have is Northeast Greenland National Park. I have shown all the four sides of this park. The largest desert we have is Sahara Desert, that is located in north of Africa, as you can see in the map. The largest Asian desert we have is Gobi Desert. You can see the map. The largest ocean we have is Pacific Ocean. I have shown the map or the globe of the Pacific Ocean. The largest sea we have is Philippine Sea. The largest lake or saltwater lake we have is Caspian Sea. You can see the map. The largest freshwater lake is Lake Superior, that is located in the north of America on the border between the United States and Canada. The largest artificial lake we have is Kariba Lake. It is located between Zambia and Zimbabwe. The largest bay we have is Bay of Bengal. It is located in the northeastern parts of Indian Ocean. You can see in the picture. The largest peninsula we have is Arabian Peninsula. You can see the map. The largest gulf we have is Gulf of Mexico. You can see the map I have given below. The largest dam we have is Three Gorges Dam, that is located in China. The largest waterfall we have is Angel Falls. The largest port we have is Port of Shanghai. The largest mosque we have is Masjid al-Haram. The largest clock we have is the Makkah Royal Clock Tower. I have shared the picture of it. The largest museum we have is the Louvre, located in Paris. The largest library in the world is Library of Congress, that is located in Washington, D.C. The largest airport we have is King Fahd International Airport. It is also known as the Dammam International Airport. The largest rail station we have is Grand Central Terminal. It is located in New York with 44 platforms. The largest solar plant we have is Yanji Solar Park, that is located in China. The largest radio telescope is FAST. It is abbreviated as 500-meter aperture spherical telescope. You can see the picture. It is the largest among all the radio telescopes. The largest diamond we have is Cullinan diamond. The largest animal we have is blue bottom whale. The largest land animal we have is elephant. The largest bird or the land bird we have is ostrich. The largest seabird is albatross. You can compare the size of this bird with man. The largest mammal we have is the blue whale. It is the largest among all the mammals. The largest bone in human body is femur or thigh bone. Our next video will be on the smallest in the world. So this was for today. Do subscribe to our channel and join us for more informative videos. Allah Hafiz.